everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the channel of Shima J, and I am Shima J. I am doing something different with you all today. As you can see, I'm sitting down. I'm gonna do some hair. Y'all see I got my cap on. I already got my wig cap on. We're gonna be restoring this monster. Okay, now y'all probably would think like, okay sis, like you cannot restore her. She is very old. I found her. I forgot I had her and I found her. She is super old. Okay, apparently she's, but I will try to find a picture and post it up here of when I wore her. She's actually really pretty. We're gonna work on it, but that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Let's just get to it. Okay, so I brushed her out. It took a few minutes, probably like 2 minutes, not really long, believe it or not. I brushed her out and you see she looked better already. She looked better already with just the brush out. As you can see, it's a little tattered still, but we're gonna wash her now. Okay, she is all blown out. You can see all blown out. And now we're going to go in with our flat iron. So as y'all can see, we got her back to life, honey. Okay, she is back to life. And this is why I like to leave it wet, because it gets the end soft. Like, and I don't want it bone straight. I flat ironed it on 350. It can take up to about 400, I think, or a little more, 415. But yeah, I didn't want it like super sleeky bone straight. I still wanted to have like a little fluff, like a little blowout kind of look to it. So let's get into the install. finished look. 1,000 times better. We brought her back to life. I'm probably gonna curl it up, so y'all probably see this again with some curls in it, and I'll probably change. I usually don't do baby hairs. I like them. I don't know. I do them sometime, but I don't think I did them with this one ever. Yeah, but this is it. Finished look. I'm gonna curl her later, but I'm gonna wear it straight for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video. Okay? I will catch y'all on the next one. Stay peaceful. Bye, bunnies.
You look nice, don't you? I bet we could roll out. When I show up, I show out. Didn't know that.